So we come to next topic of solid state. Right, under this lecture or today's lecture, we learn relation between radius of a sphere, edge length of a cube, packing efficiency and density, that we will be learning. Now, if you take a simplest unit cell is cubic unit cell. In cubic unit cell, right, all the lengths are equal, all the angles are equal, and it is 90 degree. If you take simple cubic cell like SCC, right, what do you remember from the last lecture of SCC? Where are the atoms present? Atoms are present at what? Atoms are present at corners. So we remember SCC has 8 corners. If you want to say everything, right, as a sphere, then you should say it has lattice points as 8 lattice points. And in actual, the spheres touch each other. In this diagram you can't see, but if you see this diagram, which is a cubic diagram, you can clearly see the spheres touch each other. So sphere number 1 touches sphere number 2, and sphere number 2 touches sphere number 3, and sphere number 1 touches sphere number 4, sphere number 2 touches sphere number 5. But you should remember, sphere number 1 and sphere number 5 don't touch each other because they are diagonally opposite. If I want to show the same, sphere number 1, 2, 5 and 4, you are able to see 1 and 5 don't touch each other, they don't touch each other, but 1 and 2 touch each other, 2 and 5 touch each other. Now this sphere has a radius of r, while edge length of a cube is given by symbol a. Edge length is given by symbol a and radius is given by the symbol r. So if you see, what is this? This is also a radius r. What is this? This is also radius r, but that backside radius looks very smaller, but that's 3-dimensional diagram, and the 3-dimensional diagram has set of problem. So if you check, what is this value? This value is also r from here to here. This value is also r. So similarly, this value is also r. This is also r. And if you happen to add r and r, what do you expect you will get? A. So for simple cubic cell SCC, right, which sometimes can also be called as SC, right, we have a relation between edge length and radius, and that is A is equal to 2r, where r stands for radius of the sphere and A stands for edge length. Radius of the sphere, when I say sphere, it is an atom. Now here all the atoms are of the same type, then such type of solids are called as metallic solids. What are metallic solids? All the atoms present in a metal will be of the same size. Later you will be learning ionic solids, where there will be cation and anion, and you know cation and anion will be of different sizes. I repeat, we just learned simple cubic cell where atoms occupy 8 corners. In this diagram, diagram 1, we feel that the spheres don't touch each other, but in diagram 2, clearly we can understand spheres touch each other, and we have realized A is equal to 2r. This is another pictorial diagram for the same. Okay, we go back. What is the effective number of spheres in a unit cell? Is called as a rank. So when somebody says rank, symbol Z, okay, Indianized version or pronunciation of this symbol is Z. It is the effective number of atoms. Now you should know this is 1/8 of the sphere. This is also 1/8. So how many such are there? There are 8 spheres and every corner contributes 1/8. So right, 8 spheres, everyone contributes 1/8. So total will be what? 1. So we say a simple cubic cell has rank of 1. Now you should be aware of terminology, terms. Right, we say in SCC there are 8 lattice points. There are 8 lattice points and 1 sphere is actually present. What is actually present is called as rank. So rank is 1. Lattice points are 8. Lattice points are 8. But if you add all this, what you realize is it is nothing but equivalent to only one sphere. So that is called as a rank. So for SCC, lattice points are 8, rank is 1. So effectively there is only one sphere in one unit cell of SCC. We go ahead to understand a new term, packing fraction or packing efficiency. What do you mean by packing fraction or packing efficiency? It is volume occupied by volume available. Volume occupied by volume available. For two-dimensional system, instead of volume, area also can be considered. Area can also be considered. So imagine this is a two-dimensional diagram and we want to calculate packing efficiency. Because it is a two-dimensional diagram, packing efficiency will involve the word area instead of volume. Okay, now imagine we want to find out packing efficiency of this cube in the available sphere, space of sphere, or not cube, I should use the word square. We want to find out packing efficiency of square in given available space of circle, because it is two-dimensional diagram. Let the radius of the circle be r and the side length of the square be a. So what is area available? Area available is area of the circle, and that is pi r square. So this is the entire area available. So that's the area of the circle, pi r square. What is the area occupied? We imagine this is what is occupied in that circle. So area occupied will be area of the square, and that will be a square by our geometry. So what will be packing fraction? Area occupied upon area available. Area occupied is area of the square and area available is area of the circle, that's pi r square. Imagine and you try on your own for this diagram. The next diagram I expect you should try on your own. So what is the area occupied? Area occupied is area of the circle. And what is the area available? Area available is that of the square. You can pause the video and find out packing fraction in this case. I suppose you would have done it. Now we'll check. Area of the square is a square, that's the area available. And what is the area occupied? Is the area of the circle, that's pi r square. Formula is area occupied upon area available. Area occupied is pi r square. Area available is area of the square, that is a square. So answer is a square. Okay, you understood the concept of packing fraction, packing efficiency. Those who have not understood can go through this entire video again. Right, we'll stop this video here and we'll continue with the next slide after some time.